Hi, welcome back to Golden Hour Thoughts, the podcast where we slow down, reflect, and let the dreams do the talking. You know those days or weeks when you're like, this isn't the wave I ordered? Yeah, same. Sometimes you think you've spotted your perfect wave in the distance. It's shiny, smooth, totally Instagrammable. And instead, life sends in a bunch of weird little choppy ones that make you feel like you're in a washing machine. Welcome to the actual surfing experience of life. At first, I resisted. I'm like, nope, this isn't it. Take me back to the calm or forward to the good one. I had a plan. But the current is strong. Like, LL, you thought you had control, strong. And when it pulls me in, it's either sink or ride. So I ride. And when I ride, I make a decision. If I have to be on this random ass wave, I'm going to have fun. I'm going to laugh, splash, and maybe scream into the void once or twice. But I'm not going to drown. Now, here's the thing. I used to think riding the wrong wave meant losing sight of the goal. But over time, I've learned to do both. Enjoy where I'm at and keep my eye on where I'm going. Not every wave takes you further from your dream. Some actually sneak you closer in ways you don't expect. And some are just leftovers from past water, past decisions, past moods. They're not new waves. You're just catching the tail ends of old motion. And when they settle, that's when the real wave comes in. But here's the twist. You've got to be ready for it. And the only way to get ready is by riding what you've got now. Staying in motion, trusting that no wave lasts forever, but each one teaches you balance. So if you're listening to this, bobbing around in some emotional sea foam right now, I'm not gonna tell you, don't worry, your wave is coming, because you already know that. But what I'm going to say is, don't, and I repeat, don't, at least try. Don't hate the wave you're on. Surf it. Swear at it. Do a cartwheel on it if you can, but don't jump off. Keep the targets in your heart and the salt in your hair. Sometimes life just wants to show you a side route with a better playlist. You'll be surprised. By the time your wave shows up, you might just already be in the exact right place to catch it. Thanks for being here with me tonight. I'm really glad you are. Until next time, keep dreaming.